In a lively town, a little girl with golden curls explores her vibrant garden. Curiosity sparking in her heart, she discovers a feathery friend in need. Without hesitation, she extends a caring touch to the fragile creature. Another young soul filled with compassion stands by Lily's side. They share a silent moment, planning their mission of mercy. With a flutter of wings, hope eludes them as the bird escapes into the sky. Undeterred by setbacks, they scour the landscape, unwavering in their quest. A friendly face appears, offering a helping hand in their time of need. Wise eyes observe the fragile creature, ready to lend a healing touch. Safe and secure, the little bird begins its journey to recovery under Mr. Johnson's care. With hearts full of hope, they witness the power of love and dedication in healing wounds. In a tale of resilience and compassion, the sky welcomes back a symbol of newfound freedom and friendship.